By 2021, the FBI estimated that worldwide, the cost of hacking and data breaches would reach $6 trillion with a T.
Cybercrime is on the rise, and with more information at risk than ever before, you need a cyber superhero to help protect your data.
We do things like penetration testing, dark web monitoring. We also do things like managed IT services beyond what a regular IT company might be able to offer.
Paul Debergorski from South Florida Cybersecurity Investigations is on a mission to help keep companies and individuals safe from online hackers.
So ethical hacking might sound like a contradiction in terms, but it essentially means that you use the very same tools, tricks, and tactics as hackers to defend businesses against being hacked or suffering data breaches.
For companies, South Florida Cybersecurity Investigations conducts penetration tests on their systems and servers.
They would hire my company, and my company essentially would become a hacker. And we would try to break into the system like a hacker would, both from the outside and from the inside, as well as using what's known as social engineering, where we use phishing emails, we call them and pretend to be companies like Comcast, and see if the people actually route us and allow us access.
For individuals, Paul and his team work to secure smartphones, tablets, home computers, and smart home systems.
If you're connected to the internet, you are vulnerable in some way, shape, form, or fashion.
And Paul has got 3 very important tips for keeping all of your cyber systems safe.
My number 1 tip is don't click on everything you see. One of the popular tricks that a lot of hackers use is that it will embed viruses in things like songs, videos, even images. And as soon as you download it and open the file, that essentially is permission to that virus to do whatever ill intent was programmed into it. One big tip is that unless you really need it, you don't have to keep your Bluetooth on all the time. The reason is on its own, Bluetooth is not a secure transmission system. Anybody and everybody can listen in on a Bluetooth transmission. You shouldn't use simple passwords for your Wi-Fi. The trick is to not only use a mixture of characters like the @ symbol, the parentheses, and so on, but also uppercase letters, numbers, capital, lowercase, and so on, because the FBI actually did a study and they found that using just a 6-letter password, all lowercase, takes roughly 12 to 13 minutes to crack. With upper lowercase, numbers, and special characters, it takes about 744 million years using the same rig to break. And that's kind of a big difference.
For more information on all of the services provided by South Florida Cybersecurity Investigations, visit sflcsi.com or go to our website at designingspaces.tv.